welcome to another edition of the Stone Chef. So what I'm doing is I'm frying chicken, but I'm only getting like a quick fry, like this. The reason being is because we're going to have orange chicken. I'm gonna get, I'm gonna coat the chicken like I'm doing right now. Get it nice and coated. And then fry it in the wok. Once I get all this fried and ready to go, I'm gonna throw it in the oven real quick, make my sauce, continue the cooking process. I have the chicken marinating in orange juice, orange zest, salt, pepper, garlic, onion powder. Orange juice, any type of citrus is going to tenderize your meat. So it's what we're trying to go for. Manila. Is that good?
It's really good.
That's really good, huh?
That's great.
Okay, so now we're going to make the sauce for the orange chicken. Okay, you ready?
Smells coming from that. Smell it.
From the chicken, yeah.
Mix. Like noodles and chicken, but like good chicken.
So we're going to, a little bit of butter. So we're going to add a little bit of onion.
A little bit of onion.
Yep. Anyway, so we're going to cook this till it starts to get a little brown, just like that. Then we're going to add some garlic.
I like garlic.
Garlic is good.
Very good.
Yes.
Not too much though.
No.
Not too much.
So what we're doing is just enough to aerate. See the smell? Okay. Now, just enough for the sauce. We're going to add some.
Looks like egg yolk.
I've seen. So we're going to add some more of this.
What's in here? What's in there?
It's the orange juice that I used to marinate the chicken.
Oh, it's just orange juice.
Well, it's orange juice and seasoning.
Oh.
But this is what we're going to do for the
sauce?
chicken, the sauce.
Chicken sauce.
So this is cranked up. Right? Yeah. So this is going to be cranked up to high. We're going to let this boil a little bit. And then, once it boils, I'm cheating. I'm going to use the Panda Express orange sauce.
I don't care.
I know you don't care, but I'm just saying that's what I'm going to do.
Just don't tell the audience.
The audience already knows.
That's true.
I just told them.
That's true. They can hear you.
Yeah, they can hear me. All right. So now,
Just in this week alone.
how much did you eat? A lot? You ate 2 boxes of Girl Scout cookies?
Almost.
That's crazy. Okay, so now, as you can see,
Ooh, that looks really good.
that looks great, right?
You can even see onions.
Nope, can't see the onions. I'm gonna test. That's pretty good. But I have something that's gonna take that over the top. I made some homemade teriyaki.
Oh, I was gonna say, this is soy sauce?
No, it's homemade teriyaki.
I mean, teriyaki is just as good. I love teriyaki.
You wanna taste it?
That's good.
Yeah.
That's like the good teriyaki.
Yeah, that's good teriyaki, right? I
That's
have
like
that.
That's like what the restaurants use.
Exactly.
Like, I mean,
Yeah, professional restaurants. Yeah. So I'm gonna stir that up.
that good chicken smell.
Yeah, that's right. And now I'm gonna put this
There.
in there.
Ooh. Almost fully submerged. Almost.
Francine Marie Top 9. Never fear. I'm still here.
Never fear. I'm still here.
We got
Ooh, almost fully submerged.
just like that. You see that?
Smell it from here.
This is my this.
Masterpiece. Absolutely masterpiece.
This right here. Orange chicken. All right, orange chicken, rice, steamed vegetables. You can make this a lot faster than me on the phone.